Have you ever wondered how to triple your return on investment? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue 3 times through email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email marketing, triple your return on investment. Now let's get into it. It certainly is reasonable to believe you can create a large group of internet marketers selling your products online. Many people are doing it successfully. Like anything else, you've got to crawl before you walk, and walk before you run. Starting with baby steps groundwork. Many people try to jump into a project before laying the groundwork. If you implement the right support services and software, things will run smoothly and your affiliates will be in their comfort zone. Companies come and go. You've likely seen MLM companies start up, recruit hundreds and thousands of distributors only to fail, take the money, and run. Affiliates are wise to this scam, and you can't afford to have any major crisis strike in your early formidable setup stages. Ruin your reputation and you could ruin your business. It's not that difficult to set up an affiliate program, but there are prevailing laws that you must comply with. Believe it or not, the infrastructure, software, or service provider support is the easier part. Once you set up your software or online service, the system pretty much runs on autopilot. Really. And you don't have to be a Mensa member or Einstein to set it up. If you feel you need help with the setup, there are consultants that can help you with that and assist in keeping your program legally compliant. How do you structure your program? The easy answer is to join a few of the more popular programs to review how they are set up and structured. Try and learn how your competitors' systems work and create an equal or even better program. By joining and comparing several programs, you can utilize the best concepts and procedures from each one, making a new and exciting program. The reader will need to become familiar with various software features by comparing different packages. If you have a big markup, you may wish to create a 2-level program. If available commissions are minimal, then 1 level may be appropriate. The major benefits of an affiliate program. Enlist a large group of energetic and highly motivated affiliates. You have your own network selling your products at your own expense. They pay for their website, lead generation program, operating cost, and etc. You pay them a commission only after they have made the sale and paid you. There's no risk and you control the product delivery. Your product will be advertised worldwide on the web for free. Target individuals that already have a large mailing list of newsletter subscribers. As an affiliate of yours, they can advertise your products to many thousands of subscribers, make sales, at no cost to you. The more websites your product is featured in, the more your product will pop up on Google, Yahoo, and other search engines. You will greatly benefit when on websites that have high search engines. Not only will you make more sales, but you will build your own newsletter clients when they visit your website and gain additional affiliates from this free exposure. Major credibility. Having so many people recommending your product greatly reduces buyer suspicions and resistance. You become very credible in their eyes. They feel confident when purchasing your product because they see it advertised all over the internet. This is product branding at its finest. Deal with companies that give a firm satisfaction guarantee, offering a full refund if the purchaser isn't satisfied with their purchase. This removes resistance from most buyers. Operate more efficiently with very little overhead. Since your affiliates are providing all their own business and marketing expenses, you only have your initial setup costs and product cost and pay sales commissions. Even the sales commission costs you nothing because they are built into the sales price and only paid after you receive the payment for the product. And, since the program is primarily automated, you save a great deal of time, permitting you the opportunity to focus on selling, not administrating. There is software and online services that can completely automate your affiliate program, and they won't break the bank. Our personal choice is an online service. There are very low-cost software programs making big claims about software that doesn't live up to the brags. There is very expensive software and services that can be very complicated and horrendously expensive. Then there are software and service providers in the reasonable range that delivers adequate features and service. You will need to utilize a shopping cart in conjunction with your affiliate program. They are usually very inexpensive and can be a software package or even a hosted shopping cart. In fact, one of the most commonly used is PayPal's shopping cart, which is free. Email us if you need specifics. Normally, we prefer the service provider approach, even though there are some good software programs available. We'll list a few low-end software packages for beginners, but most very active companies tend to use service providers. We'll list a few, including our personal choice. Software. With the software, you pay one price upfront and then upgrade over time if you desire, usually for a fee. It must be stored on your computer, and your computer must be connected with a broadband connection at all times. This can use up your computer resources during active times. There is installation and a learning curve. When the industry changes or new methods are popular, you will need to purchase upgrades if they are available. New computer technology, industry or law changes may make your software obsolete. You're pretty much on your own for tech support after the warranty period is over. You got to be sure the software you purchased lives up to its claims and has been around long enough to have the bugs worked out. Does the software provide additional training and related bonuses? Computer efficiency and bandwidth can be major issues when you have hundreds or thousands of people trying to access your system, many at the same time. Service provider. You have an upfront installation cost with a service provider just as you do with software. You don't actually host the affiliate activity on your computer but on the service provider's system. This allows for greater bandwidth and 24-hour user-friendly money-back tech support. No load on your personal system. Generally, there isn't much of a learning curve requirement. Their control panel's function tends to be very user-friendly. They generally have excellent online training and live tech support when needed for as long as you use their service. Updates are automatic and you stay current with the latest features. No additional software to purchase. If there is a major computer problem or glitch, you have their support to quickly remedy the situation. Reputable companies offer you a trial period or money-back guarantee so you can cancel if it doesn't live up to your expectations. This is probably the number one important issue. Installation or setup is minimal and intuitive, especially for beginners. Some are turnkey. Your computer doesn't have to be connected to the net at all times. For some, this is a benefit. Your computer's memory and resources stay free from a load of a large amount of activity from hundreds or thousands of affiliates. We learned that either a high-quality software or service provider that actually uses the same system themselves for their affiliate program was most desirable. The problem with a quality software package we liked was their cost. They were very expensive or seemed inexpensive upfront with low setup and monthly fees, but then charged a percentage of sales. At first the percentages seemed small, but after crunching the numbers, we realized they could be very expensive on an annual basis. Some should have a picture of Mickey Mouse on their webpage, having questionable benefits. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email marketing. Triple your return on investment. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.